The Axie Infinity crypto has gone up by 70% in the last week. And the interest in the game itself seems to be at an all-time high. So if you would like to get a good entry to buy this again, or if you would want perspective on how the price of this coin could move in the upcoming days, then this will be interesting for you, because in the next few minutes I will do a full price prediction and analysis on the Axie Infinity cryptocurrency. Alright, so welcome back, let's get right into it. As I said, this will be a price prediction. We are on tradingview.com looking at the Axie against USDT on Binance 4-hour time frame. And basically yesterday the price went up a lot, I think with something like 40%. Last week, as I said, 70%. So that leaves us at a very interesting price point, because basically there is no previous price action right here. There are little to no indicators, and then it's interesting because after such a move there are most of the times a lot of opportunities to buy again or to get a really good entry again. So I sketched out basically two scenarios for this price prediction, and we'll start with the first one with the fundamentals of cryptocurrencies right now. I mean, to me, they're very bullish in the last week and the upcoming weeks, I think, too. So the first scenario could be that it just instantly goes up again from here, a second bull run, which I think could happen. And if it then breaks through this key level, the 118 to 120, then I think it will do a quick retest off of this trend line or of the key level, so off of 119.3 to be precise, and then I think we can see a massive bull run again. I mean, the market cap of Axie is not too big yet, so there's definitely a lot of room to grow on the upside. So that's the first scenario of what could happen. More bullish sentiment and more bullish momentum, breaks through the key level right here, 120 price area. Retests off of 120 and goes up again. But in my opinion, what would be more likely is if the price now does a small pullback, basically to get rid of some original buyers. They will take some profit. I mean, price will consolidate. They will think, all right, it's not going to go up again. They will take profit and the price will drop down. And then I think the best area to buy again, in my opinion, would be this area. So that's 95 to 93, kind of. Basically, there's a big key level, but there's also a 0.382 Fibonacci at the bottom of that level, and an EMA. So I think this would be a perfect buy if you want to get in again. Personally, I would place my buy at the 94 price point. And from there on, I think it could bounce and maybe it will find resistance at the 120 level again. But eventually, I do think that it will break through, definitely in the long term. And then you had the best entry possible if you want to get into this cryptocurrency right now. So what could happen as well? Basically, that happens quite a lot when cryptocurrencies have such massive bull runs, is that there is one candlestick where the wick goes really far down. So only the wick, and after the wick goes down by quite a lot, then it will instantly shoot up again, and most of the time go on another bull run. We have seen that with Matic Network or Polygon, also with DFI Money. They just had this massive wick and then go up again. So that's basically not the ideal strategy or thing to go for when you just want to be in the trade, because there is not a big chance that the price will actually hit it. But I have sketched out two scenarios for that to happen. So if you do want to place maybe another order, maybe a trade limit order, then I would suggest putting it at 80 psychological key level. There's a big trend line, but also a key level and an EMA. So I think the wick could shoot to here and then go up again. I think definitely up until the 120. Might take a couple of days or weeks, but yeah, that would be massive. That would be a 50% gain. So that would be for the next days, the 80 psychological key level as a limit order. So up until the 6th of October, 2 o'clock at night, that's GMT +1. And after that, I think the best area to place the buy limit would be right here. So the 84 up until 86 price point, because there's a 0.5 Fibonacci, probably will be an EMA too. And again, these trend lines. So that's the 84 till 86 price area. And that will be from the 6th of October up until I think the beginning of the 8th. And after that, this area, the 93 up until 95, will be best in any case. So basically, if you want to have a trade and you don't really mind about not being in this cryptocurrency when it goes up again, then I would place a limit order right here from this time to this time. After that, right here, so 85 from this time to this time. And if you just want to be in the cryptocurrency and be in it when another bull run happens, then I think the 95 up until 93 area would be the best to buy. So yeah, that's basically it. That might have been quite a lot of information. So if you have any questions about it or any remarks, please let me know down in the description, and I will or in the comments, and I will make sure to respond to that as quickly as possible. As for now, this was the price analysis and price prediction. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.